Welcome to Chemistry 2, Chem 103. This is the lecture section of this class. We're also going to have a lab section. You may or may not be in my lab section for this course. So this course here then will cover some of the fundamental of chemistry, general chemistry. Here, if you go on the landing page, we have the course overview, the project, and resources here, and we have this in 5 modules for the term. You can see my short bio here. So here, course overview, going to come back to this. Module 1 will cover solution, properties of solutions. Module 2 will cover equilibria. Reaction goes back and forth until it reaches equilibrium. Then we're going to talk about kinetics. Kinetics has to do with movement, the reaction moving from the start of the reaction to when the reaction stops, that kinetic. We're going to have thermodynamics here. Thermo, as you understand, as heat, that heat associated with chemical reactions. And then in the end, we're going to talk about electrochemistry, how you create, you move electron with chemistry, and there will be a final project that will be submitted in week 5. So if I go back here, course overview. Course overview, we want you to sign the honor of conduct, honor of code of conduct, and certify that you're going to have the technology that you need for this course. That's the very first thing you're going to do. You're going to confirm that agreement here. In the course description, we have a few things that we're going to cover in this course. As we said before, we're going to identify fundamental basics, colligative property that has to do with solutions. So there's some property that are not related in solution, that are not related to the actual substance, but they're related to the amount of substance present. So for example, if you have a solution and you have this number of particles, they could be NaCl, they could be KCl, they have a certain behavior, okay? So we call them colligative properties. They're going to include then solubility, electrochemistry, and the relationship to thermodynamics and stoichiometric parameters. Going to balance acid-base reactions, including calculating pH, and then diagram thermodynamic and kinetic forces in a chemical reaction, moral bonding of simple molecule to predict structure, and bonding parameters. So the syllabus is here, going to come to that in a minute. So what we're going to use in OpenStack college chemistry textbook, so that's something that you don't buy, is a free textbook that you can access here, and the project for the course is done here. That will be due at the last week of class. So if I go to the syllabus then here, so as we said then, class is going to start on February 23rd and March 29th. Course description is here. The 4th thing that we expect to do here, the class outcomes are here. Grading policies are shown here. Again, we want you to submit your work on time. If you are one day late, 10%. Between 2 and 2 days is 30%. Work submitted between 3 and 6 days will have 5% deduction. After 6 days, no work can be submitted. Unity late policy, that's what we talk about. That's what we have here. Letter grades are here. We talked about the textbook that you can get, OpenStack College Chemistry. Just click here, you can download that. Communication, instructor will conduct all correspondence with instructor through Canvas. You send me an email, I will answer through Canvas. So it's best to just send it through Canvas so I can answer there. I will not conduct correspondence outside of Canvas. Okay. So if you have any difficulty with IT, there's a link here, Unity Environmental University IT support. You need to go to them first before you contact me. I don't know much about IT. I mean, I know a little bit, but not enough to help you. Discussion expectations, they have to be submitted on Wednesday, or let's call that Thursday, 3 a.m. Eastern time for the first submission, and the second one, which is a response by Sunday. Okay. Learning accommodation, if you need any, you should access that here and contact the school to get that set up. Going to use Turn-In to check on whatever you submit. Cheating information, um, what will happen and how what we call cheating here, what is unacceptable practices, guideline for using AI. So again, we're not saying that you should not use it, but we're giving you uh, guidelines on how to use it. Copyright. Copyright is when somebody has done the work, you have to acknowledge the work if you have to cite them and stuff. Technical support, again, be sure to contact the school for that. Fair practices, Title 9. So here we have then material for week 1, learning material preview. For week 1 then, the first thing you're going to have is an introduction that has to be done by Thursday. If you do not do an introduction, you may be dropped from the class. Week 1, we're going to have an assignment here and have you choose your topic for the project that will be due at the end of the term. Course project assignment, colligative properties. Week 1, we're going to have a discussion. Every week, we're going to have a discussion, and we have a quiz here for week 1. And then next, we're going to have going to work on course project, another discussion here and a quiz. Week 3, we're going to work on the project, a discussion here and a quiz. Week 4, work on a project, discussion and a quiz. And then week 5, we're going to have a final learning guide presentation on the project, the discussion on electrochemistry, and a quiz here, and then fact-checking information here. So that's the syllabus for the course. Other than that, when you go through the syllabus, you will see that I will answer within 24 hours of the when you send a question. If you don't get an answer from me, please send another email to make sure that I did not overlook your email, but I should be able to answer your question right away. If and only if we cannot resolve something online, then we can try to find a way to meet. On the West Coast, it might not be feasible for us to meet necessarily when we want to. So we're going to have to juggle through that. Other than that, welcome to my class. My name is Pierre Guet. I've been teaching chemistry for almost 30 years now. I'm glad that you've taken my class, and I'll see you around. You have a wonderful term.